Omubyembekirwe harimo butare, taxi park, enguuto, ekishaayi ky'omupiira hamwe n'ebindi kandi omuhwezi w'omuhandiiki wa mukuru w'ebyemizano aha Kamwenge district niwe yakiire projects ezi.
So the contractor will keep with us for that period as it is not certificate available and it will then go.
Tuyamwe mishoro omutushayeezi kuto hostinga emizano etagiye emwe n'emwe tunkata mu council mutugobamu abashonga ha gate mu collectinga wakasente akakubasa ku maintaining ekishaye kimu kikumenko kukiri kandi tugira obundi tushaza mu kushaza.
Omukoro gukuyirwa ekishayi kya Rwampara stadium kandi nakyo kyombekirwa hansi ya USMID kandi kyombekirwe kiri aha mutindo okutaha emizano y'ihanga.
Now, like when we talk of the football pitch, what is the size of the football pitch? When it is the netball court or the basketball, what are the measurements? So we have discussed and agreed that when the next phase, the second phase comes on, they will involve National Council of Sports.
Provision of sports facilities as one of the best mechanisms of promoting peaceful coexistence as well as encouraging the sports sector in the country.
Kantumanya kutateka ekisaayi kino utamaze kutunga sente za USMID kwa kuhostingire refugees twagamba tuyina kuteka ekisaayi nuko no kuba abantu bakuruga hero beze kurola empungi nkati for example nka wiki yehoire hantutungira aho abantu bagenyi bakuru kuruga mahanga ga hero beze kurola empungi so nabweki ekisaayi kino nikigenda kututahiza muno kigenda kuleta henkora kurana na muno abazani abana ba youth.
Abeebembezi hona basimire government aho kubaho buherezo ubu no kubaho migisho gundi omufezi ya kabiri.
But this should also be the beginning of efforts to renew USMID phase 2. So as the districts that host refugees, we are looking forward to USMID phase 2. So Engineer Oliver and the team, please, we are very grateful.
Abeebembezi behanangiriza ibwe kurebera projects zibakorirwe. Gashakwa Anthony Twini.